Hello friends, today I am going to tell you how to create a YouTube thumbnail and how to upload your YouTube thumbnail on your YouTube video. Okay, so now let us suppose that I have created a video related to econometrics in which I have talked about the various types of datas in econometrics. Okay, so there are three types of data. One is cross sectional data, second one is time series data, and third one is pooled data. One more form is the panel data. So if I have talked about all these types of datas in my video, how I will create a thumbnail for my video. So now let us start with the background. Okay, now I will download a background for my thumbnail from my browser. So I will browse for my background for it. So let us suppose that I am using my msend browser. Okay, and in msend browser you can see here in Google I have written here basic econometrics logos. Okay, so in basic econometric logos we have some logos. uh, for your background you can take any picture. For example, let us suppose that I have taken this picture. Okay, so now I will download this picture. So I have now downloaded this picture, and now I will go back and I will use a software for it. I will use the app that is called as Canva app. Canva, Canva. Okay, so this app is very good app in which you will be able to create so many things. For example, if you want to create quotes for your WhatsApp, you want to create anything else, like you want to create logos, you want to create business card, you want to create Instagram post or Instagram stories or Facebook post, Facebook covers, whatever you want to create for your social media you can create through this app. This is a very good app, and here if you go down you will see that there are YouTube thumbnails. You can see here these are YouTube thumbnails. You click here, it will open so many different thumbnails here. You can see, so you can take any thumbnail. If you don't want to take any of these thumbnails, you can take a blank thumbnail also and you can create your own thumbnail. Let us suppose that I have taken this thumbnail. Now I want to modify this according to my video. So how I will modify, I will click here on this photo, and this photo will be selected, not this text, only this photo will be selected. And when this photo will be selected, I can see here in my gallery, from my gallery it will show the different pictures which are there in my gallery, and the one which I had downloaded is this one. Okay, so when I will click here, it will come here and I can adjust it according to my requirement. Let us suppose that I have adjusted it here like this. Okay, now this one I have created. Now I want to change this text also, so I will click on this text and this text will be selected, and now I will write here basic econometrics, in which I have talked about the types of data. So I will write here types of data. Okay, so now you can see here that types of data is not visible, so I will change this color. I will again select this text. It has been selected, and now I can do so many things here. If I want to change the style, I can change the style to any form from here. For example, if I want to take this style, then it will be converted into this style. If I want to take this one, it will be converted into this one. So you can take any style. Okay, so you can see here it has been converted into any style. I will keep this style because I like this style. So now I will also change the color. Okay, so how I will change the color, the one which you select, the color will be changed for that particular thing only. Okay, I have selected this text, so here you can see that here if you click on this box, white box, this is the white box. Okay, if you want to, if you will click here, you can see different colors here. Let us suppose that I have chosen this color, so this is the color I have chosen. And okay, now I want to adjust it. Okay, so if I want to adjust it, I'll put it here, but at the same time it is going down here, so I will minimize the size. Okay, I will decrease its size, and you can see here the size is now this one. Okay, if you don't want to change the size, let us suppose that the size is this, you can also increase it here like this. Okay, and now somewhere it is shown here. Okay, now you can adjust it. Let us minimize it a little bit. Okay, so here you can see, if you want to change the color of the background, you can also change the color of the background. If you want to change the color of the background, you can do that thing also. Okay, so how can you change the color of the background? That is by selecting the background only. Okay, here you can see that if you select the background has been selected, and here the color of the background has come here. You click here on this pencil and you can change the color of this background also. Let us suppose that I want to change the color to this one. Okay, this I want to keep as a background color. Now this is your picture, you can make changes on the picture also. Okay, so now let us suppose that you also want to write some more things. So how you will write those things? You click on this plus sign and here you write the text. Now you can write, add some text of your own. So you click here and you can write anything here. Now let us suppose that you want to write here what are the various types of datas. Here you have introduced for example, you have introduced here cross-sectional data. Cross-sectional, then time series, then you have panel data and pooled data. Okay, so you have these datas. Now you can see here that it is, now you can select it here like this. You can increase the size, you can increase, you can decrease the size, increase the size, whatever you want to do you can do it. But you have to keep in mind that you have to select first the thing on which you want to make the changes, then only it will make the changes. Okay, now I will decrease its size. Okay, then I will make it bold. Then if I want to change its style, I can change its style also. Then what else I can do is I can change its color also. Here its color is black. You click on this black box and you can see here various colors. You can change the color. Okay, so this color seems to be good. Okay, and This is how you can create your data. Now let us suppose that you want to add one more picture. So if you want to add any other picture also, you can click on this plus sign and you can see here images. Okay, here you can see the images of your gallery. Okay, the images which are present in your mobile. There are some more images here which are present in Canva. Okay, except gallery, you can if you click on images, you will see the various images are here. Okay, which are not in your mobile, but they are online. Okay, so let us suppose that I have taken this one, this image. Okay, so if I want to put this image also here, I will put this image anywhere I want to put. Let us suppose that I want to put it here, and I will decrease its size a little bit. Okay, now I want to, when you will click on this image, you can see here down there it has been written transparency. If you decrease the transparency, the image will become a little bit transparent. You can increase or decrease the transparency of the image. Okay, and in this way this image will become transparent and it will make your data to be more good. Okay, so here you can see that the image has become transparent. It gives a good look to your thumbnail. Okay, so this is the way how you can create the thumbnails. Okay, if let us suppose that I want to make it more bold. Okay, so I have changed the color of this data also, and now it seems to be good. Okay, so this is how you can create. There are so many other options here, like we have the options of graphics. Okay, we have the options of templates. You can put templates also. There are other options also, like if you want to create a duplicate page. Okay, so you can try all these options. Okay, so you can try all these options, and you can make different types of thumbnails according to your requirement. Okay, if you don't want to have this, so now if you want to save it, if you want to save it, if you want to save it, you can save it with the help of this button up here. You click here and this will be saved in your mobile phone. Okay, so now it has been saved. Now how you will put it on your video? For that you have to download YouTube Studio from Play Store. Okay, you will go to Play Store and you will write YouTube Studio app, and this app I have already installed. You have to install this app, and when you will open this app, you will log on with the help of your app and with the help of your channel. And after that, for example, let us suppose that I want to put this thumbnail on my first video, types of data. So I will click on this video and I will click on this pencil button here on this video. I will click here on this pencil and edit thumbnail. In the edit thumbnail, I will click on custom thumbnail, and in custom thumbnail, the one which I have created, I will select that one. I will select it and I will save it. Okay, so now you can see that the thumbnail has been applied to my video, and now it has become more attractive for my viewers. Okay, this video is now more attractive for my viewers. So this is how you can create your own thumbnail with the help of Canvas. Okay, thank you so much. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you so much.